Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an alligator with a scroll saw. Now this is a compound cut. We have made many compound cuts things before. We made a dog, we made reindeer, we made birds, we made cats, we made all kinds of stuff. So this is another compound cut, and as you can see, super cute, really easy. You can do it on the scroll saw or on the bend saw, as there is no inside cuts. Now this pattern is not mine. I used this one from this magazine that I just received in the mail. So I cannot share with you the pattern. You can find it in that magazine. But if you're looking for other animal compound cuts on the scroll saw, I have some on my website, links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get right into it and see how we make this alligator. Now, when you print the pattern from this magazine, there are two patterns inside. There's one that is a larger alligator and then one that is a smaller version of the same alligator. So you see quite a difference on size. For today, I'll be making the large one. So here's my blank. I already glued it to my blank. To glue it to your blank, you take your pattern, if you've never done compound cuts, and you fold it on the line like that. And then when you glue it, one side goes on one side of the blank and one the next side. So there you go, like that. And then you have two sides with no pattern. So now I'm gonna go to the scroll saw, and what I will do is first cut this side over here. And I'll cut that one first, and then after I cut this side, I will tape it back with clear packing tape, so it keeps my blank strong, and then I'll be cutting the other side. And in the end, we should end up with an alligator in the middle. So I have made many of these compound cuts before. I have many patterns that I've made. Some of them are on my website. Like I said, you can go purchase some, but now let's go cut this one. For the blade, I'm using a Pegasus geometry modified blade on size 7. An alligator. So now we take it apart. This is the offcuts, and our alligator should be right here. Ta-da! Pretty cool. Now we have to sand it to round the back and all that. So let's go get sanding on this. So this is what our alligator looks like so far. Super cute. And now I'm going to take a Dremel and really round off the back and the belly to make it a little bit not so square, more 3D. So I'm gonna do that next. And this is what our alligator looks like with the finish on. I thought it was super cute, really easy cut to do, perfect for beginners. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.